Elevate your image editing skills with Photoshop Easy course. If you're looking to create captivating visuals and bring your creative visions to life, you're in the right place. Unmesh Dinda's expert guidance will take you through the ins and outs of Photoshop, equipping you with the skills to craft amazing images and designs. Join us and unlock the world of limitless creativity. Get an instant 98% discount for the Photoshop Easy course at iDesignCourse.com. The course link is available in the description and comments section. The ultimate online Photoshop course. Go from zero to pro. Learn to master Photoshop, take your images to the next level, and develop your workflow from start to finish. Learn to use Photoshop and create stunning images. Photoshop Easy is not a simple course. It is a path in which we take you by the hand and lead and teach you to master Photoshop. At the end of the course, you will be able to move and implement your ideas in complete autonomy. Learn the method. Unlike many Photoshop courses which rely on an old approach, neglecting the importance of theory, our goal is to provide you with a working methodology so that you can move and carry out your ideas and work in complete autonomy. Step-by-step process. Photoshop Easy is a complete, practical, concise, and no-nonsense online Photoshop course. Unmesh Dinda will teach you all of the functions of this magical, yet powerful, program. It starts from A and arrives at Z. This route is good for both beginners and for those who are already experienced. How it works? Incredible platform. When you enter Photoshop Easy, you will have access to our amazing e-learning platform. For each lesson, you can download the materials we use. You can access the program online from any computer, tablet, or phone from anywhere in the world at any time. Happy to help you. Our super efficient live chat assistants will be there for you. You will never be left alone with the Photoshop Easy team there to answer all your questions. Cinematic quality. Photoshop Easy is a course that entertains minute by minute. All lessons are in 4K, and for each lesson you have the option to slow down or speed up the video. Remember, if you are getting bored, you are not learning. Certificate of completion. Once you complete the entire course, you will be issued a digital certificate of completion. Our certificates are shareable, unique, and independently verifiable. What's inside Photoshop Easy? Module 1, the basics. This module teaches the basics of Photoshop. Find out how to get started on the right foot. Module 2, the tools. In this module you will learn how to use and master all Photoshop tools. Pen, crop, brush, and much more. Module 3, master color and light. You will understand how to manage color, from color management to color correction up to color grading. Module 4, compositing. Everything you need to learn to create awesome composites in Photoshop in this information-packed lesson. Module 5, Basics of Retouching. In this module, you will learn techniques and tips for retouching your subjects like a pro. Module 6, Tips and Tricks. In this module, we have fun creating stunning effects by putting everything we have learned into practice. Module 7, Effects. In this module, we will have fun creating amazing effects within Adobe Photoshop. Module 8, Bonus. A special module where we learn all about magic of blend modes, luminosity masks, and so much more.
Above is everything we wanted to introduce you to about this course. For more details, you can click on the link below in the comments section. If you're looking for further development in design, I would like to recommend an excellent resource, iDesignCourse.com. iDesignCourse is an online training website specializing in graphic design, UI/UX, and web programming. Here, you can find high-quality courses taught by industry-leading experts. Visit iDesignCourse.com to explore exciting and engaging courses. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any similar videos in the future. Wishing you a fantastic day, and see you next time.